everyone, I just want to tell you or show you the difference between the sticky rice and the jasmine rice. The difference between sticky rice, as you can see, the color is opaque, pure white. There's the jasmine rice. It's clear, translucent. Do not mix them in together. You cannot do anything with that afterwards. You would have to throw it away. So let me show you now the difference between the jasmine rice cooked and the sticky rice cooked. So this is the jasmine rice. You see that? It has more of a like a white, clear look. Here's the sticky rice. It's sticky. It has like a little tint of yellow to it. And you know what? In our country, we don't use spoons. We eat it with our hands, and it's okay. Sticky rice, final cook product, jasmine rice, regular rice, and here's the final cook product. Those are the difference.